Surface and plane inspection. It compares a point cloud to a reference model or another point cloud. It can be used for quality control, checking construction against BIM or AutoCAD. It also performs deformation analysis. Workflow 1. Surface inspection. Step 1. Import the point cloud. Use the Select Points tool. Isolate the column area. Copy the selection to a new cloud. Step 2. Create a reference model. Switch to Map View for better vision. In the second order shapes toolbar, click Create or Edit Cylinder. Use Quick Selection to draw a rectangle around the column points. The software automatically fits the cylinder. Change your viewpoint. Toggle point cloud visibility to check alignment. Step 3. Generate a reference mesh. In the cylinder's properties, click Duplicate Cylinder as Mesh. Hide the original cylinder to see the mesh. If the mesh appears as a half shell, uncheck Cull Face in Display Properties. Step 4. Execute inspection. Open the Inspection tool under the Measures tab. Drag the target point cloud into Model to inspect. Then drag the cylinder mesh into Reference Model. Adjust max search distance. Set it slightly larger than the expected maximum deviation. Set cloud subsampling. Use 10 to 20 for a quick preview. Use 1 for full accuracy. Choose the inspection type. Complete inspection is for irregular shapes. Inspection along one direction is for planar surfaces. Click Start to run the calculation. Step 5. Analyze and export. The color deviation map appears. The histogram window also pops up. Click on histogram ranges to highlight out-of-tolerance areas. Click Save Report. Export a PDF with statistics and the colored map. Workflow 2. Plane inspection. Its use for checking the flatness of a wall or floor. Step 1. Import the point cloud. Step 2. Isolate the planar region. Step 3. Fit the plane. Use the Fit Plane tool. It creates an ideal plane from the selected points. Select 2 points on the plane. Then fit the plane by 2 points. Open Inspection tool. Click Create Mesh from Plane to convert it into a reference model. Drag in the point cloud and the plane mesh. Set parameters and run. Review the deviation map. Also review the histogram to assess flatness.